Okay, the old 77 back to life project. We got real good front brakes. That brake fluid looks just like new. Got the starter button repaired. Lights are now working. I thought it was the safety relay, but it was just internal in that switch. Cleaned up the contacts, we're good to go. Replaced the ignition switch. Speedometer's working, not so much on the tach yet. Turn signals are working, headlight high-low is working now. Put a set of mirrors on it. These grips are for, yeah. Got the Titronics ignition system in. I polished up that cover a little bit. Got the clutch set. I've had it up and down the road, even with no front brake and a marginal rear brake. As you can see, it's not exactly a show bike yet. But I'll complete the once around here and then we'll cut to the chase. You can see my little test tank. This cover's not cleaned up quite so nice. I did one spring and I think I may take a loop out of the other spring yet too. Okay, let's fire it up. Gas is on, choke is on, ignition on, lights off, engine start on. We're in neutral. Nice smoke-free exhaust. And that's it for tonight. I see I didn't get one of my carb clamps tight. We'll tighten that up.